Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Beauty by Ada here. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome to my channel. Please be sure to click that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that when next time I upload a video, you don't miss it. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you're a returning subscriber, I really do appreciate you all. Thank you for always coming back in. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, and also leave your wonderful comments in the comment section. So let's just get started. Just keep watching. I won't be doing much talking in this video because everything is just there, so just enjoy the video and just learn whatever you can and just enjoy the video, guys. Thank you so much for always tuning in. As you guys are watching, don't forget to turn on the notification bell if you haven't, and don't forget to click that subscribe button if you haven't done that already. If you're up to this part and you have not subscribed, why haven't you subscribed? Please go ahead and click that subscribe button and click on the notification bell. I would love to have you in my channel. Welcome to my channel. gotten to this part still, I am still saying the same thing. Please go ahead and subscribe if you have not. Go ahead and click that notification bell and like this video, share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section. After the braid, I go ahead to take off the excess hair, the stray hairs on the braids, and then after that I dip the braid in hot water, and that will be it. And then apply your mousse, of course, and that will be it. Thank you so much guys for always tuning in. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please do go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Go ahead and share this video with your friends and family, and leave your comments in the comment section. Don't forget to click that subscribe button if you have not. You're welcome to join my channel. Click that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that when next time I upload, you don't miss it. And if you have any video suggestions, anything that you want me to do, please do go ahead, be it makeup or hair, do go ahead and leave that in the comment section down below, and I'll definitely do that for you guys. So go ahead and leave your video suggestions, because that helps me to know what you guys want to watch. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.